We are here at the SAQA booth with Lilo Bowman. Lilo, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm the SAQA president, and SAQA stands for Studio Art Quilt Associates.
Okay, and what are we doing here today? You are featuring SAQA, so tell me a little bit about SAQA, the organization.
Yes. So the organization is comprised of artists, collectors of art, people in the industry who work in the art industry, people who are just supporters of the art quilt. So because we are a global organization, we encompass a wide range of individuals, different makers, people who are seeking to be art quilters. And so what you see behind me is an example of an exhibit that's been traveling around, and it's called Nature's Canvas. And so we've got several different examples, including some 3D work, to give visitors a chance to understand what is the organization about, what kind of art are some of our members making. And so here is a wonderful place at the Modern Quilt Guild, because we also have modern quilters who exhibit in our shows as well as participate as members. So it's a great opportunity to network with some of the attendees that are coming to the show.
Okay, so let's take a look at some of the art. This first piece is by Terry Shin, and it's called Persian Ironwood. So you can see that not everything is flat hanging on the wall. There are some incredible 3D pieces as well. This next piece is by Geraldine Warner. It's called Come Rain or Shine. This piece is by Sue Dennis, and it's called Tempest. Sharon C. Braunagel. This piece is called Balance.
Oh, the one last night, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I did look, and it did take 15.
Oh.
And here we have Deb Cashat, and this one is called Climate Change.
Yeah.
And finally we have Sin Chen Lin, Jungle Academy.
SAQA offers a lot of resources to its members. Whether you're wanting to have a mentor, which that mentor program is fabulous, because then you work with one individual over the course of about a year, working on what it is that your goals are as an artist. We also have other resources in the sense of, are you wanting to understand about how to better promote yourself, how to improve the photography of your quilts. We have other varieties of resources, such as your actual artistic practice. So if you're trying to delve into areas that you're not familiar with within the art practice, there are probably some teachers that have got videos that can show you how to do some of those various aspects.
Yeah.
We also have a journal that comes out quarterly, and in that journal are articles that also talk about various sort of artist-specific kind of topics. So that's another part of being a member. And so there's a wide range of things that you as a member can really participate in, especially with us, yes.
Okay, so can you tell us about what's coming soon with SAQA?
Well, we have a conference every year. We switch it between a virtual conference and an in-person conference. And this year in 2026, we have a virtual conference, and it is featuring the works from artists from Taiwan, Japan, and Korea, which is really exciting because oftentimes we don't have a chance to see what's happening on the other side of the globe, and this way we're bringing it right to you. It's a virtual conference. You don't have to be a member to sign up to be able to view the conference. It's from April 23rd to the 25th. You can stay at home, sit in your PJs with your favorite beverage, and see some amazing art, and I think you'll really, really enjoy it.
Yeah, and it would be a great way to experience SAQA for the first time.
Right, it's a great way to kind of see what it is that we can provide you, what we offer, the kind of programming that we have. Yes, yes. The easiest thing to do is just to sign up for the newsletter. and then you get information, and that might be, again, something that kind of sparks an interest, and then you follow up and go into a direction that you're really encouraged by.
Well, Lilo,
Yeah.
thank you for sharing part of the story of SAQA with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by.